Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Knowledgeville, educators and policymakers joined forces to revolutionize the education system by introducing a groundbreaking curriculum on financial literacy. Recognizing the importance of equipping students with essential life skills, they embarked on a journey to weave financial education into the fabric of the school system. The adventure began with the creation of engaging lesson plans that brought abstract financial concepts to life. Students dove into the world of budgeting through interactive simulations, learning to navigate real-life scenarios where money management was key. These lessons became the compass guiding them through the maze of financial decisions. To make the learning experience more relatable, schools partnered with local banks and businesses to organize field trips and guest lectures. Students had the opportunity to visit bank branches, understand the basics of saving and investing, and interact with financial professionals who shared their insights. This real-world exposure sparked a sense of curiosity and ambition. As the curriculum evolved, a dedicated team of teachers attended specialized training to become financial literacy champions. These educators, armed with newfound knowledge, seamlessly integrated financial concepts into subjects like math, economics, and even literature. Shakespearean sonnets met stock market analyses, and algebraic equations transformed into budgeting challenges. Recognizing the importance of practical skills, schools introduced a mandatory finance club where students could apply their knowledge in a hands-on setting. They managed virtual investment portfolios, participated in entrepreneurial projects, and organized financial awareness campaigns within the community. The Finance Club became a hub of innovation and collaboration. To assess the impact of these changes, the town implemented a comprehensive evaluation system. Students were not only tested on their theoretical understanding, but also on their ability to apply financial principles in real-world scenarios. The results were promising, with students displaying a newfound confidence in making informed financial decisions. As the years passed, the success of Knowledgeville's financial literacy initiative spread far and wide. Other towns and cities sought inspiration from this pioneering journey, sparking a nationwide movement to integrate financial education into schools. And so, the tale of Knowledgeville became a beacon of hope, proving that with dedication and innovation, educating young minds about financial literacy could transform not only individual lives, but also entire communities. The once daunting landscape of financial uncertainty was now navigable, thanks to the seeds of knowledge sown in the fertile grounds of education.